Hi, I'm Erica with Harmony Home Medical, and like Harmony Home Medical, I'm here to help. There are a lot of different wheelchairs to select out there in the world, so I wanted to go over a little bit of why and when you choose certain wheelchairs. So now let's take a closer look at how to use these wheelchairs. They all function fairly similarly, but I'll pull one out to show you. So wheelchairs fold in the middle. You want to flip the foot plates up or remove them. So flipping it up allows the chair to fold without them running into each other. Removing them makes your footprint of the chair smaller so you can get it into a vehicle easier, and it's a little bit lighter. So this is going to be pretty much the same process on all your different styles of wheelchairs. It's important to know that you want to pull from the seat sling. If you're here and struggling with the armrest, it's not going to do it for you. The folding mechanism is in the seat rails. So pushing down on the sides of the seat rails or pulling up on the sides of the seat rails are going to be the best ways to get the chair to fold and unfold. Then we have the brakes. So when we're going into the wheelchair, someone's going to go sit down, always engage the brakes. Caregiver can put them on, or you can put them on and use that when you go to sit and then go to stand up. That way the chair doesn't move on you and it's not shooting back. So we have our brakes, our fold, and then with some chairs you have one more fold option. We fold in the middle and then we fold again on the back arms, or the back push handles I should say. So these are little thumb triggers. You can push them down or squeeze them in, and it's just a pin that releases and allows you to fold the chair even smaller. So then your chair looks like this, and you can lift it. A little tip, put the brake on, lift from the big wheel. It's easy to handle that way. And also when you get it in the back of your car, it doesn't roll all over the place. So unfold, back up, and then always putting the brakes on when you or your loved one goes to sit down. And then when they are ready to go, they can be on their way. When pushing a chair, we want the wheel to be kind of in line with our shoulders as much as possible. On custom chairs, we can actually change where our wheel axle is, so we can put a little further in front of you to get a stronger push and to make your chair turn a little quicker. So, but with non-custom chairs, you just want to make sure that that wheel is kind of centers it where your fingertips are when you drop your arms to the side. You don't want a chair that's way back here, or a cushion pushing you forward in the chair, having your arms be way back here. You can get rotator cuff injuries when you do that. When pushing a wheelchair, they all push fairly the same as far as putting your hands on the wheel and pushing the rim forward. However, in a custom wheelchair, you can have the axle aligned further back or further forward to give you the most momentum with your push. And a specialist or professional can help you select and configure that chair and know what's going to work best for you. With standard chairs, just make sure that they don't put a cushion or a backrest in the chair that pushes you really far forward and leaves you reaching back for your wheel. That can cause shoulder injury and make your chair more difficult to push. Then lastly, the armrests on the chairs are oftentimes flip back. You just squeeze a button and flip it back. And other times they're removable, where you push the pin and take them out. That will vary depending on your chair. Standard tends to be the push button and take out. Lightweight and custom tend to be flip back, and custom even has some other options. So this gives you an overview of your standard self-propelling wheelchair. If you'd like to come and get an evaluation for one, we'd be happy to help you. Just give us a call or come on in.